Welcome to this fantastic opportunity for a beautiful Craftsman Style home on more than 8 acres. Here you can enjoy quiet country living near the South Santiam River, yet also close to city conveniences. This property includes acres of pasture, a large heated shop, and an historic barn with horse and livestock stalls. The covered front porch invites you inside. This Craftsman home has kept all the charm of its era, yet has many upgrades for today's comforts. The updated kitchen has beautiful countertops, abundant storage, and tons of natural light. Enjoy classic trim work throughout and original hardwood floors. A main-level bedroom suite has a full bath with a dual-sink vanity. This home of more than 2,600 square feet has 4 large bedrooms and 2.5 baths, plus large walk-in closets and tons of storage. The full basement is additional square footage, providing extra living space with a separate outside entrance, a kitchenette, and a laundry room with a full bath. Explore the small orchard with various fruit trees. Bring your horses to the fenced pasture. And the historic barn includes a hayloft, room for your equipment and supplies, plus horse stalls. The 30 by 36 foot heated shop has an additional 30 by 80 foot machine shed and 3-phase power. The best of all worlds, a timeless home with a classic design and modern updates in a peaceful, tranquil setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Eric Stutzman with Premier Property Group.